Now guys, I-invite tayo sa Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2025. And dalawang phones ang ni-reveal nila. Si Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and si Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 together with Z Flip 7 FE. The first ever FE series sa loob ng kanyang flippable phones. But in this video, pag-usapan natin solely si Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. What are my first impression? Kamusta naman ang feel ko dito sa phone na ito? Don't go away after this quick intro. Now, first impression dito sa Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is gumanda ang kanyang screen on the outside. Medyo na-criticize ko ang kanyang screen before kasi ang liit. Bitin na bitin ako sa kanyang screen and I wasn't really shy to let you know about it before dun sa aking full review ng Z Flip 6. But this time around, siguro nakinig si Samsung sa mga criticism and they made it a full screen. The only obstruction lang naman sa screen is of course yung kanyang dalawang camera module and of course yung kanyang LED flash, which is of course understandable. But if you're interested naman sa Z Flip 7 FE, it carries over yung design ng outer screen ni Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Now, kamusta naman ang feel ko dito sa phone na ito? Other than yung ganda ng kanyang screen on the outside, which medyo natuwa naman ako dun. And I was able to try to navigate it. Nilaro ko naman siya. And it was really fun, no? Having a full screen on the outside, which sometimes really comes in handy, especially kung gusto mo mag-go live sa TikTok o gusto mo mag-record lang ng video na hindi mo kailangan unfold yung phone, you can definitely do it dito sa Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. And well, of course, ma-enjoy mo kasi full screen ang binibigay sa'yo nito phone na ito. Anay sa kanyang 6 iteration, medyo mabibitin ka. Like I said, may cutout yung kanyang screen and yun ang imamana ng Z Flip 7 FE. Feel ko si Z Flip 7 FE is more parang nire-brand na lang ng Z Flip 6 para to package it as another new phone. Kasi medyo similar ang kanilang design, no? That's just based on my observation. I might be wrong. Now, one thing na maganda naman dito sa Z Flip 7 is, okay, sturdy naman ang kanyang hinges. It's one of the most important thing na kailangan mo on a flip phone and a fold phone is magandang kanyang hinges. Yung hindi basta-basta bibigay. Now, on the outside screen, it has a 2,600 nits kind of maximum brightness, which is for me pretty solid na, especially when you're under direct sunlight, wala kang maging problema sa kanya. And some of the other stats na alam ko, it has a 4,300 mAh na battery, which is for me quite okay. Walang problema naman dyan. And of course, most likely, it only supports a 25 watts na fast charging. Fast kuno. And there were several colors naman na nakita ko during the event. I saw the white one, the black one. I think there's a blue one and a pink one. So there's 4 color variants so far na nakita ko sa event. And for me, nag-stood out yung color pink, which is definitely unique on its own. Kahit lalaki, no, ma-attract ka doon sa kanyang color pink, which is quite looking a bit different and looking nice. And I heard this one will come together with the One UI 8, which is yun ang pinaka-latest UI na meron ni Samsung. Now, moving forward, here are some of the specs na nalalaman ko, no. Now, pag naka-fold siya yung front glass, will probably be protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus ceramic. And yung likod niya might be the same glass as well. It has side aluminum frames na armored, which makes the phone really tough. Nung hinahawakan ko siya, masasabi ko sa'yo it's definitely sturdy. And mapapansin mo, pag once in-unfold mo, wala ka namang papansin na crease din naman sa kanya. Now, based on what I know, it has eSIM support. And another thing na naalala ko is lumaki rin ang kanyang inside display. Previously sa Z Flip 6, it's just a 6.7-inch na inside screen. This time around, they bump it up to a 6.9-inch na display with a AMOLED screen. Now, yung kanyang labas is rumored to be a 4-inch na screen and sobrang nipis yung kanyang bezel at 1.25mm thick lang ang kanyang bezel. Probably one of the thinnest na makikita mo on the market today. Now, yung kanyang main camera is a 50MP na shooter together with a ultra-wide lens. And ang kanyang selfie shooter is probably a 10MP na shooter. And I wouldn't say na sobrang laki ng jump niya compared sa Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 except yung kanyang outer screen. The rest probably is more or less halos the same. Now, if you're going to ask me kung it's worth to jump from the Z Flip 6 to the Z Flip 7, I would say na siguro sulitin mo muna yung Z Flip 6 mo. Probably I would suggest na mag-upgrade ka na lang pagdating ng Z Flip 8. Hindi sobrang laki ng changes niya. Though there are some significant changes, lumaki ang kanyang screens on the inside and lumaki din ang kanyang screen on the outside. Probably that's just it. Now, ano nga vertigo dito sa kanyang presyo? Si Z Flip 6, ang kanyang original SRP is nasa 70,999 and I probably think it might probably the same or a bit higher at mga siguro 72,999 para sa kanyang 256. And that's just based on my guesstimate. Now, I really love to flip na ito si Z Flip 7 but probably I wouldn't upgrade if I'm still using the Z Flip 6. Overall, the feel is good. The screen on the outside is probably one of my favorite features. And the rest is just almost the same sa kanyang Z Flip 6, except siguro si One UI 8. Kaya guys, anong tingin niyo dito sa phone na ito? Bibili ba kayo ng Z Flip 7? And guys, I will be updating you sa description box below once na naging official ang Z Flip 7 here in the Philippines. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to share sa inyong kaibigan, and a quick sub sa aking channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.